In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use WordPress.com in order to create your own personal blog. The first thing you want to do, if you do not already have an account, is to press the orange Get Started button. When this screen pops up, you'll just want to put in your email address that you would like to have linked to the account. Create a username. It will generate one for you, but you can also create your own as long as it's not been taken. And then you'll want to create a password as well. It will then give you a free blog address for your use. For this tutorial, we'll just be doing the free blog, so all you have to do is click Create Blog at the bottom, and it will go ahead and get your blog started. This will just say that an email has been sent to your account, and in order to actually begin your registration, you will need to check your email and activate your account so that they can activate your blog. This is what this screen will look like when you have checked your email and you are ready to activate your blog. So all you have to do is click the Activate Blog button. Then your new account will now be active. Now that the account is active, you will want to go ahead and log in. So just click the login button at the top corner. This is what the login screen will look like. You can type in your email or username. I chose to type in my username. And then you will also need to type in your password that you have chosen. You can click Remember Me for it to be easier to sign on the computer in the future. And then just click Login. At this time, it will bring you to the main blog interface. What you will want to do in order to work on your blog is just click My Blog at the very top. This will show you all the different blogs that you have. So far, I only have one under this username, so I'm going to click on that. And it has chosen a homepage design for me. Right now there's nothing found, and I can choose my own background, my own interface that will meet my needs and my purposes for this blog. The way that you can change the interface is going back up to where your username is on the top left. Just click on that a couple times and it will take you, once you click Dashboard, it will take you to the general dashboard to help guide you in creating your settings. So what you want to do is select a theme. There are a few different theme options. You want to be careful that you get one that is free unless you're willing to pay. Some of these are rather expensive, whereas some of these are cheaper. I am going to choose a theme that will work, just a simple theme that will work for me. I'm going to use this blog to communicate with the parents of my students. So I'm going to activate the 2010 blog theme, and by doing that you just click Activate. Now once you activate it, then you can customize it to the needs that you have. So this shows you what your blog looked like, what it had in it, and you can see over on the side here, the side toolbar, there's ways to give it a custom design, the colors, the header, background image, your front, and your site title. You can edit all of those from this customizing site. So what I'm going to do, the first thing that I'm going to customize is the site title. I'm going to change it to second grade 2013 to 2014 because again I'm going to use this to communicate with my parents. So as you'll see, as I was typing that, it is actually showing up on my actual blog, and that you can kind of see up here that it automatically put it in for me. If I want to continue to customize it, I just go back to the tab, the customizing tab. You can customize the colors or the header. The next thing I want to do is the header. You can look through different header images for which one that you would like, which one you think would be good for yours. I'm going to choose the path with the trees for mine, and then I'm just going to save that. So now you can see again it automatically put my header onto my website and also my title. If you would like to change your background image, your front, different things like that, you can also play around with that at this time. Now that I've chosen a header and a title, I'm going to show you how to make your first post. All you need to go is up to where your title is, scroll down to New, and then New Post. The first post that I'm going to write is just going to be a welcome post, so I'm going to give my post a title up here in the top bar. That's your title bar, and down here is where you can actually write the body of your post. As you can see, the text of your post will go down here in the text box. If you wanted to add pictures, you could just click Add Media, and you could search your computer for a picture. If you would like to add a poll, you would like to have people vote one way or another, you can add a poll by using this tab. And if you would like to add a contact form, then this is the tab that you would like to use. This format is very similar to what you're probably used to with Word, being able to bold or italicize words, how you justify the text, and different things like that. You can also look at your visual or text view of what the post is going to look like. I usually use the visual view. I find it just a little bit easier than looking at the text view, especially when you're putting in pictures and things like that. The text view can get a little confusing. When you are ready to post your text or your pictures, then after you're finished with your post, you can just click Publish. If you would like to preview it beforehand, or if you would like to save the draft and come back and work on it later before it's published, you can use those two options as well. If you want to go ahead and publish it, you'll click this blue button, Publish. And now, as you can see, my post pops up underneath my header and my title, and I have started my blog. After that, there are many different features that you can play around with that we can talk about throughout the year, but this is just the first initial getting started with your blog on WordPress.com.